Can you type? Are you already a writer? Then online transcription jobs could be a great option for you. As long as you can understand and write English and have a respectable typing speed of about 40 to 60 words per minute, you're free to apply for an online transcription job. These jobs are mostly, in fact, they are all remote, and they often require no experience whatsoever to get started. And there is plenty of work out there, I'm telling you guys. As a freelancer, I still browse the job boards and see quite a few of these jobs pop up. So if you're self-disciplined and enjoy working on your own from the comfort of your home, why not give transcription a try? So let's get started. For people that keep asking me in the comment section, what does a transcriber do? What is transcription and all that? Today I'm going to explain to you. Transcriptionist jobs are typically part-time, all right? They don't require years of experience and are a starting point for many work-at-home professionals, stay-home mom, stay-home dad, even for students. And it's common to work as an independent contractor doing captioning or taking dictation. Most transcription work for freelancers falls into one of these three categories that I'm going to mention now. 1, general transcription. 2nd, medical transcription. And the last one is legal transcription. Okay, you don't need any special equipment for this work, but you might want to invest in foot pedal when things get rocking. Okay, you can also use software like Express Scribe to take your transcription services to an even higher level and pump out work faster. So even if you don't have any experience in transcription, you can take up some courses online to help you build your typing speed. Okay, so with that in mind, let's look at some of the best places to find an online transcription job. The first one we are going to look at today is called CrowdSurf. So for CrowdSurf is a dedicated community of freelance transcriptionists working to create video captions for deaf, hard of hearing, and second language viewers, especially for YouTube videos. For instance, those captions you see on YouTube videos are done by transcribers, all right? So they offer short transcription tasks available day and night so that you can work anywhere, anytime. It's free to sign up. You will be paid instantly, and they offer several opportunities for growth and promotion. You see, the best part of working as a transcriptionist is that you get to work from the comfort of your home. You also get to choose your own time and hours and how many hours in a week that you want to work. All right. So CrowdSurf needs your help to transcribe online media. So if you're ready, join them today. The sign-up process is easy. So they hire you as a freelancer and they pay you as soon as you complete the job. But again, you have to join CrowdSurf via Work Market. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. You're going to join them via a Work Market and work with them on their private editing platform. The crowdsurfing work platform, it's easy to get started. So you're going to use the link at the bottom of this page and create your Work Market account. So note, you're going to choose writing and translation as your primary industry. Use the drop-down list to select your postal code. The Work Market team will review your profile and tax information. This typically takes less than 24 hours. If there is an issue, please contact their support team. Set up your payment method. You can choose from direct deposit, PayPal, and more. So if you're ready, click here and get started. Submit your application and let it be reviewed, and if you're hired, you start working immediately. So most of it says that there are benefits, or the third option, it says that once you've passed the assessment, you will create a new account. They will create a new account for you you see this place where it says become a member. Then you sign up, put in your details, and submit your application. So if you're interested, so this is how the page is going to look like when you open it. So you enter your login, you sign up and create your account. So anyway, yeah, you sign up. This is the sign up page. You sign up and see if you get hired, and once you get hired, they will get back to you. So the third one we're going to look at is called Tigerfish. So Tigerfish, they said when the job is available, the listings will be open. The reason why I'm sharing it to you guys is because they're always hiring, and you can always submit an application and wait for them to get back to you instead of just sitting and doing nothing. They're always hiring. So this is the page where you would fill in your application if you're interested, and then so you need to do this transcription documents that you see here. You need to do them because this is going to be your assessment. So that's the first thing you're going to do. You're going to transcribe audio files and paste your transcripts below. You paste it here. It says, please don't rush. Your transcription times will improve. Ultimately, we're interested in working with people who can accurately transcribe a minute of recorded material. So take your time and do this test, this assessment. Take your time, do it. Paste your report here, and then the third side, you fill in your details and tell them something about yourself and what you want to specialize in, the area you want to specialize in. Is it in medical, technology, legal, or finance? And ideally choose the days of the week that you want to work and the hours. I mean the days, the morning, evening, the days and time, and the sessions. So when you finish, you submit and wait for them to get back to you. Okay, the reason I'm sharing these 3 websites is because they are always hiring. They are companies, they're not just websites, they're always hiring people. So now submit your application and see if you get hired. Even if your application is in queue, it doesn't matter, you can be hired at any time. So this is it, guys, for this one. Go and send in your applications and see if you get hired. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to people that might need it. Okay, thanks so much for sticking with me till this time. I'll see you in another video.